Wipe it down, or at least these little spots.
No, they'll be fine. It'll soak into this and just be like Velcro. But I kind of want them hooked to this board first. So what I'm going to do is, it's this one. Okay.
It may not be exactly where it needs to be.
Let's lift this up. Well, I know where this is supposed to be, so it's the right height. It's going to fall right into place. Let's see. I don't know if they're the right ones.
I don't think it works that way.
No, it works that way.
I thought you were supposed to mate it and then spray it.
No. You can spray the surface and then touch it, and then the spray is actually in there where it needs to really be. I learned that from a sound man guy. I was always doing it like you were saying, but he's like, watch, you spray surface first, then glue to it, and then spray after you build a ring around it. Let's just do both the little ends.
So I think stuck.
Yeah. Not stuck to the panel, but it's stuck to that right now.
What do you got here?
We're going to the dunes.
Well, we know that. But specifically, where are we going?
We're going to China Wall.
And you got your 252 stroke. So, George got his dirt bike.
Nice.
Has his dirt bike. My buddy Caleb brought his four-wheeler.
Next.
I think George is
Just going to do the middle.
There he is, brother.
Should be the shorter one.
First one to China Wall, I think it's like $200 for 3 years.
It can't be George up China Wall. About 100 on it.
What's this first one?
How much tire for the two righties?
Yep.
No, this one's the shortest.
Yeah, but it's too short. It doesn't match up to my little grind mark.
Damn, you're real, brother.
I'll probably have to cut another piece then.
I measured it's over 4. Hello. What you doing? Oh, nice. That one fits. Yeah, this one. I wonder. Oh, this is bent down because we're pressing down on the panel. So when you flatten the panel back out, it gets pretty close. Might be a little short. Yeah. Yeah, we better make one more of this size. is it?
Cletus.
No, it is here.
Yeah.
How exhausted are you? Oh, brother, I'm glad you made it. Yeah, we did.
Perfect.
That nice car crashing as he pulled up. Oh, you got it?
Perfect.
Oh, boy. That wasn't bad. JD Wilson. Every check to JD well, Greg. That's why you rolled it over. That's why the entrance. Yeah, it was beautiful. He brings the show. You know what I mean?
They have the whole audience.
You know what I mean?
This thing's got snow pants on.
Alright, we're about a quarter of the way there.
That's it?
Yeah.
So where are they at? Are they out here?
Hey, we're a quarter of the way there.
I'm waterfalling this.
Where are they at the dunes at? I wonder.
Hey, guards, we're a quarter of the way.
You don't know? Probably at that one they keep going to. Okay, let go. Let go.
He lives in Florida, so he's probably the closest
No, they
one.
come out here and go to somewhere. It's the one off of California, kind of out of Vegas, between Vegas and California. That's where they went one time.
Hey, it's for the highlight reel, man. Come on. Yeah, this is about to be so sick.
Are they set?
This is about to be insane. Hey, what do you think? He's gonna get rid of the peak.
You're close. Yeah, now we need to reinforce them.
Phone charger.
What do you have? iPhone?
Yeah, but the old style, not the new charger. It's the old one.
Yeah, that's what I got.
The fire,
Do you have a charger over here?
It's in the car.
lightning, or fire, or whatever.
Oh, that's the Lightning, not the USB-C.
Not the USB-C.
Yeah, I got the Lightning. I'll go grab it here in a few minutes.
Yeah, no rush. I'm at 20%.
That was pretty sick.
It's hardly a look.
First try.
It's getting there.
Oh yeah, a lot of progress. When's the last time you guys made one like this, like custom?
Honestly, it's been 15 years for me.
It's been a couple months since I built a pod type thing. That pink car I did a couple months ago.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
And were you thinking about putting your guys' logo, like stick it onto
Yeah, I
this?
don't know. We'll see. If you want it next Thursday.
Yeah, it's probably going to take a little bit to make it.
Everything you add starts adding time. Plus, I got to find my logo, shrink it, try to transfer it to something. That's like a whole day on its own.
Well, we might be able to make it work. Just like
What I usually do,
Audio Architect.
well, what I usually do is just make it small. It would fit across here, but what you do is you, like I said, you take a sticker, and if the printer was working, I could just print 30 stickers and layer them up, and then when we wrap over this,
You'll be
it
able to
would
see
just emboss out of the vinyl.
White stuff in the ground. They're just looks like this.
My mom has a sticker machine. She
Really?
makes stickers.
I wonder if the bike's still running.
Yeah, I have one in the computer for some reason right now. It doesn't want to hook up to it.
Oh, yeah, that's the problem with all of them.